How to turn off Facebook notifications on iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Scroll down, navigate to the option of notifications. Now here you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app Facebook. Now from here you can easily customize notifications for your Facebook app. From here you can enable or disable alerts. Likewise you can enable or disable sounds. In the case you want to totally turn off notifications for your Facebook app, what you have to do is toggle off for the option of allow notifications. And just with that you have turned off Facebook notifications on iPhone or iPad. But in the case you want to customize notifications, what you can do is click on Facebook notification settings. Now from here you can easily customize the notification settings. If you want to enable or disable notifications for comments, tags, reminders, you can do that from this page. Well, that's the wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to turn off Facebook notifications on iPhone or iPad. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.